Hi, my name's Aaron. Since everybody's trapped in their houses, myself included, with everything that's going on, and I need to eat better anyway, I'm gonna start making things in this crock pot. This is recipe number 1. I don't have a name for it, but it's pork shoulder. These will be my basic ingredients. We might spice it up as we go along, but that'll be as we go along. So let's get started. Step 1, I'm going to line the bottom with these pineapple rings. Next, put in the shoulder cuts. It says shoulders, ribs? I don't know, it's confusing, but anyway. So we'll put those in there. Get everybody as flat as we can. There we go. Now we'll put in the rest of these pineapple rings that I've got here. And then we'll sprinkle liberally with brown sugar. Yeah. Next, I've sliced up some garlic. And I'll be honest with you, a part of me is thinking, is that too much garlic? But you know what? I have to remember that I'm Norwegian. And sometimes when you're cooking, you have to fight your conditioning and your heritage. And remember that garlic is good, and just put it in there. And you might not have enough, actually. Okay, now I've also sprinkled in some ground black pepper, some ground sea salt, since my chicken broth is unsalted, and some basil as well for taste. I've got a little bit of pineapple juice left in here, so we're just going to pour that in. There, that's broth. Good. To make sure that everybody's covered. I think that'll do. Just for fun, a little bit more than a shot of some fine Tennessee whiskey, just to add something a little extra. All right, so everybody's in there, got the lid on. Turn it all the way up to high, and through the magic of editing, you get to skip the 4 hours of cooking and go straight to the good stuff. I have to wait. So I'll see you on the other side. I wish you could smell this, because it's phenomenal. So, as you can see, it's falling apart because it's so tender. Let's give it the old college try. Yep. I certified that this is good. Highly recommend. 5 stars. Yeah. Now, of course, if this was like a real meal, I'd have some pasta and a starch, something like that. Vegetable to go along with it. But I started cooking it kind of late, so I kind of already ate my dinner. So I'll have it for the next couple of days for dinner, because as you saw, that was a big chunk of meat. And it's just me. My little crock pot. My little meal right there. So, yeah. Give it a try, see if you like it. Maybe make your own tweaks and leave me comments. I don't know, let's make this a thing. What do you say?